Good evening, sir. So answering the assessment, was it what is eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interface? So eloquent ORM in Laravel simplify database interaction by mapping database table to models, enabling developers to perform queries relationship and CRUD operation using expensive syntax instead of PostgreSQL. And number two, sir, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? So Laravel handles HTTP requests through its routing system where developer define routes and web.php or API that PHP routes map URLs to control actions, closure or view, simplifying request handling. And number three, explain the role of Blade templating engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel's templating engine that allows dynamic content rendering, template inheritance in reusable components. It simplifies view management, reduces redundancy, and integrates seamlessly with Laravel backend data handling. So number four, what are security features provided by Laravel? Laravel provides security through CSRF protection, input validation, password hasling, SQL injection prevention, encryption, authentication, and middleware. These features safeguard web application against common vulnerabilities and unauthorized access attempts. And lastly, number five, how does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel support task scheduling using its scheduler defined in app console kernel.php. Developers schedule repetitive tasks such as email or database clean with expensive syntax instead of relying on external cron job. And that's also. Thank you.